In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So while using the Instagram application, you can easily appear offline to some people or appear offline to both your followers and following list on Instagram. So if you are done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to appear offline on Instagram is open the Instagram application just like this. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the menu icon at the top right. You'll be taken to your Instagram settings and activities page. On the Instagram settings and activities page, you want to scroll down until you get to how others can interact with you. Then click on messages and replies to stories. On this page, come down to who can see you are online and click on show activity status. Here in the show activity status page, you want to make sure you disable this. Once it is disabled, your Instagram activity status will be disabled. So with this turned off on your Instagram account will appear offline while you are online on the Instagram platform, and no one will be able to see whether you are online or not. So this is how you can easily appear offline on Instagram. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.